To add a photo to a contact on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all we need to open the phone app. Now on the home page we're gonna open the list of contacts, so you can either tap on the view contacts in here on the right side or tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to contacts in here. Now choose the contact for which you want to add the photo, so let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then tap on this pen in the upper right corner. Then you should be able to tap on the current picture over here. And then you have several different options, like for example you can open the camera and take a picture right now. You can also open the gallery and choose a picture from the gallery. You can also open Google Photos, we have monogram and illustrations. So let's say I'm just gonna pick a photo from the gallery. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. You should be able to zoom in and zoom out if you have to. You can also use your finger to drag the picture around so you can adjust its position. You can also rotate the picture in case it is necessary. And then once you're ready, just tap on the choose at the bottom of the screen. Then save over here by using the save button in the upper right corner, and that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.